Hello everyone, this is Grade 2, Module 7, Lesson 24 homework. The directions for number 1 say, use the data in the table to create a line plot and answer the question. So I see down below, I got my title on top for my line plot. Down below it says handspan in inches and it's numbered 0 through 8. So for each of these handspan inches, I'm going to plot the number over here. So for 2 I don't have to put anything, 3 I don't have to put anything, 4 I have 1. So I'm going to put an X. For 5 it looks like I have 5, 6, 7. I'm going to try to keep them out of going into the title, but it looks like I'm going to run out of room. For 6 it's a group of 5 and a second group of 5, and I know that that's 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My next group is 3, and that's for the number 7. And then my last one for 8 is 1. So there's my line plot, and all I did was take the number of students, the tallies, and just put X's down on the number line. So my answer here, describe the pattern you see in the line plot. And it's more or less just what do you see in there, get a piece of data. And I'm going to say that based on what I see, the majority of them are falling between 5 and 6. So I'll put in a quick sentence for that. So there's my answer statement. The majority of handspans are 5 inches or 6 inches. Let's take a look at page 2. And it looks like we're going to do something very similar on this page. Use the data in the table to create a line plot, and then answer the questions. So now we're going to draw in our line and write our numbers, and then we'll do our line plot. So I'm going to put a line here. And that was awful. So let me try that one again and try to get it as low on this as I can. Start at 0, and I'm going to do a little break in it to get me to my first number, which is 17. And what that squiggle is, it means it's taking out, I don't have to number in 0 through 17 to get here. Just one of those fancy little terms or lines that tools that I can use on a graph that they use in some of the upper grades. Not really necessary, but always good to learn something fun. So I need to get up to 23. And I know that this is in centimeters. So now I can start plotting these off, and I see 17 is 1. 18 is 2. And so on. So I'm going to go through and I'll plot these out as you can as well. And let's get those on our graph. So there's all my stuff plotted in there. And I'm going to take a look, and for A, I got to describe the pattern I see. Very similar to the one question we just had. So I'm going to go down to B. How many feet are longer than 20 centimeters? So I want to look longer than 20. It doesn't say 20 or longer, it says longer. So I'm looking at just 21 through 22. And I see this one 21 has 6, 22 has 2, and 23 has 1. So I can add those up. 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So 9. Now it says, how many feet are shorter than 20? So again, shorter than 20, not 20 or shorter, shorter than. So I'm looking at these ones, just 19, 18, and 17. I have 1, 2, and 4. And I know 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. So I'll go down and I'll plug it into my page. And then it says, create your own comparison question related to the data. So that's going to be one of those ones where you get to ask a question based around your data. And you'll pose that question right there for D. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps, and good luck on your homework.